Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to smarthome. Are you experiencing sound delays on your LG TV? Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, I'm going to show you some simple steps to fix those annoying sound delays and get back to enjoying your favorite shows and movies without any interruptions. Let's dive right in. 1. First things first, let's check the basics. Make sure all your cables are securely plugged in, both on your TV and your external devices like cable boxes or streaming devices. Sometimes loose connections can cause sound delays. 2. Next, let's head over to the TV settings. Go to Sound Settings or Audio Settings, depending on your LG TV model. Look for any options related to audio delay or synchronization. LG TVs usually have an option called Async or Audio Sync. Adjusting this setting can help reduce sound delays. 3. Now play some content and observe if the sound delay has improved. If it's still not satisfactory, don't worry, we have more tricks up our sleeve. 4. Another tip is to try resetting your TV's audio settings to default. Sometimes, tweaking settings can unintentionally cause issues. By resetting, you'll revert all audio settings back to their original state. 5. After resetting, test the audio delay again to see if there's any improvement. Hopefully, this resolves the issue. But if you're still experiencing delays, there's one more thing we can try. 6. You can also try using the audio delay feature on your external device, such as a soundbar or AV receiver if you're using one. Many external audio devices have built-in features to adjust audio delay to sync with the video. 7. Once you've adjusted the audio delay on your external device, play some content and see if the sound delay is gone. Hopefully, by now, you've managed to fix the sound delays on your LG TV. Conclusion. And there you have it. With these simple tips, you can say goodbye to sound delays and enjoy your TV experience to the fullest. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and happy viewing.